Hi everyone, I'm Francesca from junkjournaljoy. So today is special because we have a collaboration. It's Junkjournal January, hosted by Meg at Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy. Each day in January you'll be able to watch a new video from 30 different creators on YouTube. Check the description box of this video to get some amazing freebies, info about all the creators, all the prompt list, and the upcoming. Thank you so much to join me today, and I hope you will fun. The prompt for today is memory, so I decided to use one of my symbol in my page, that is the rose, the white rose, because it's associated with the first date with my soulmate. So it's always a joy for me make a representation in my page of this symbol and remember this event. I want also to try something new. I want to experiment, so I prepare a tea bag. I clean a tea bag, and now I'm using some tape. In this case, it's a clear tape because I want to preserve the clearness, the transparency of my tea bag, and I want to try to emboss it. Because in my mind, if I give some thickness to my tea bag, I will be able to emboss it. Let's see how it works, if it works or not. First of all, I didn't cut very well the excess of the tape, so it's a little sticky. But the result, it's okay for me. Let's see what you think. It's very light, but I can see it. So I use some distress ink to give some more depth to my rose, as you can see. You see it? I can see it and I like it. And now, one of the best things about junk journaling is that you don't have to start from a blank page every time. You can use a page that maybe you have started the last month and then you forgot it. And so I'm using a simple background that I did 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's an old book page with some gesso, and then I swatches some watercolor. So you can easily replicate it if you want it or not. Now I'm journaling about my first date with my mate, and then I cover it with my tea bag. And I want to add some embellishment. You can find the tutorial for this ephemeral holder in the description box of this video, as all and also for the journal that I'm using. I'm not so sure about the embellishment that I choose, so I can use a clip to add these things, but I can always remove it in a second moment if I want. The beauty of junk journaling is that nothing is set in stone, and you can always come back to change the things. I hope you have found some inspiration for today. If you want to share what you will create, remember to use the hashtag junkjournaljanuary, and I'll see you soon. Bye!